Backyard. Backyard. Real loud. Morning, guys. Out here letting the dogs get their morning run and use the bathroom. Had some great feedback from that video we put out about why we chose to move to Maine for our homestead. Got a lot of good advice and some good questions, but we got one question today we're going to answer over some coffee and a conversation. Stay tuned. Hey, girl. Morning. All right, today's question and conversation is why we chose to start a YouTube. Well, I've been contemplating on doing this for a couple years, and especially when we decided we knew we were going to move and travel across the country for the second time. And I knew I wanted to document it a little bit better than we did the first time. And then I knew we were going to start our homestead. And so I made a decision. We're going to do it. We're going to focus on recording and documenting for our kids and our hopefully future grandkids. Because when we started in 2015 to move across the country, I started looking and really didn't see too many people that I can learn from on what we could do to prepare to do the move. So I decided this time, me and my wife was like, when we move this time, we're going to document it. And I'll throw up some clips of us moving. I think we got a video already of us moving across the country, but I know there's a lot of people think you can get up here and put out some videos and make a lot of money, and sure, you can do that, but our sole purpose is mainly documentation, especially with the close call this year on a heart attack, and you never know when it's your time, and it's better to have some documentation and some memories out there of life events, family events. I remember as a child, was a little kid going to my grandma's house, and man, we couldn't wait to look at the photo albums and pop in the old VHS tapes and watch. Man, my grandma always had a camcorder. She was recording everything. But I wanted that, and I heard on one channel, or it might have been a short on YouTube or something, where YouTube is a great platform to store memories. If nothing else, you can store memories. You might not make no money, but if you don't put too much like intimate stuff, or put like family fun memories, no harm in it. I don't see any harm in it, but that's why we wanted to do it. Mainly so our friends and family could see our progress and our adventures. Because a lot of them didn't believe we were going to make it in Alaska. But we spent 10 years up there, and Now we're hoping to spend the rest of our years on our homestead. But if you have any more questions or want to know any more about us, we had a great turnout on that last video of us just coffee and a conversation. You know, a lot of questions, a lot of advice. So if you got any more, just leave them down in the comments and we'll get to them. We'll have some coffee and we'll talk about it. But until next time, we'll see you. Hit that subscribe button, follow along. Thank you.